Hi, I'm Rebecca from Eastern Passage, Nova Scotia, and I'm testing the Miele vacuum canister. So I do like this product. It is lightweight, and you can carry it from different spots. It's got an easy handle. You can have it down or up. There's also features of different accessories. You just press the button, and in here you got the brush. I actually did my fan blades with that, and then you can do like your couches, curtains, all that good stuff, which is great because I have a dog and it gets hair on our couches, so it's good to have. The only minus I think I have is the handle. It's a bit awkward, so it's hard to store, but other than that, it is a great product. It's great for hardwood floors, for quick dust jobs, mats, rugs, have carpets, and it is fairly quiet compared to other vacuums. I have a 5-month-old, so it's good to have something quiet. And then you just pick different features for carpets, curtains, different quiet accessories. Overall, it's a great product. A bit awkward for storage, but other than that, I would recommend this product. Thank you. I would recommend the Miele vacuum canister to family and friends.